Hi guys, it's Brooke with WTI. I love potatoes so much. They are my favorite food. I will eat them anyway. But cleaning them is such a huge hassle, I hate it. Until I found this full circle potato scrub brush. It is awesome. The bristles are nice and coarse, so they really scrub the potatoes clean. And it has this awesome eye remover here, and it just pulls them right out so easily. I've never used anything that makes it easier. I used to just throw potatoes out if they had eyes on them because I didn't want to deal with it. It stands up when you're finished, so it dries real fast and you don't have to worry about it getting moldy in a cupboard or anything. I just leave it sitting out on my sink because it's so cute. It looks like a little penguin or something. Also, all full circle products are super safe and earth friendly. So this is BPA free and made with bamboo and recycled plastic, which I love so much for the environment. It's so easy to hold so your hand won't slip while you're trying to scrub the potatoes, like a lot of other brushes where your hand just falls right off. I love how much easier it is to clean potatoes with this full circle potato cleaner brush, and you will too, but that's just my point of view.